Hello everyone, welcome to today's gold analysis video. Now if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe so that you don't miss the daily updates in gold. And also if you want the intraday updates, you can join our free Telegram channel where I give market updates intraday analysis for completely free. You can find the link below in the description. Now talking about the structure of gold, this is telling us that today's candle can also actually go up and then create a wick and then give us a bearish closing. And because today we have CPI, so this kind of price action is very much possible. Now, for more clarity, we can see the 4-hour time frame where we are tracking this massive fourth wave. And inside this fourth wave, what we're tracking is a three-wave structure. So we have this wave A consisting of three waves. Possibly we are in the B wave now, again which should consist three waves, and then there will be another drop for the C wave which will complete this higher degree fourth wave. So this is what we're looking for and we're tracking, and this has been quite some time since we're tracking this scenario, but it is still valid and it is still unfolding as we expected. Okay, so now for more clarity, let's see what can be today's price action. So as you know, what we're tracking here inside this wave B is again a three-wave move where we have this wave A. Now we are inside the wave B, which again consists of three waves. Now this is a corrective structure. So inside the corrective structure, what we track for is three-wave moves rather than five-wave moves according to the Elliott wave terminology. Now talking about this wave B, so the question is, how is this wave B playing out? Because if we can find that, then we can get intraday setups, right? So for that, we have to look at what market is doing right now. So we can very clearly see that market from this high has given us three waves. And after this three wave, market has started to consolidate here inside a parallel channel. Now, this can be a bearish channel, or what we can say is a bear flag, and market can actually again test the upper zone of this bearish channel, and then market can drop and continue the bearish structure. So this is very much possible. Now talking about the minor structure here, what is possible is that inside this P wave, like you know, we're tracking a three-wave move. So it's possible that the wave A has completed in the form of these three waves, where we had A, B, and C wave, and this has completed this wave A inside this wave B, and right now we are inside this wave B, which is definitely possible. And once this wave B gets completed, then we will see another drop for the wave C, and that is going to complete this circle degree wave B inside this higher degree wave B. Okay, so this is one of the possibility, and the second possibility would be that this is a five-wave move where we had one, two, this is the third wave, and this whole thing is a fourth wave. It should not happen because the second wave here, it did not take much time. So in that case, the fourth wave here should not also have taken so much time as it is doing right now. But it is still possible because this is a corrective structure and there is some fundamentals right now. So it's possible that market is slowly just consolidating and taking its time for the next downside move. So that is also possible. Okay. So in that case, there will be five waves, and this would be the wave A. Then there would be a wave B correction, and there would be another low for the wave C, which will complete this circular degree B wave. So all in all, what I'm looking for is another drop in gold, because obviously this cannot be, these three waves cannot be considered as whole of the B wave. That is not possible. We want to see a healthy B wave pullback, because B wave definitely gives us a deep pullback. It at least gives a retracement to the 50% Fibonacci level, which hasn't happened yet. So there is still room for more downside, and as you have seen in the daily time frame, that this zone is a massive structural resistance, and market has been trying to break above this zone since the last 2 days, but it could not do so. And that is why I'm expecting that the sellers will get activated even today, and they will push gold downside and we will see another drop in gold. So that's what I'm expecting. There are two possibilities. Either this is an ABC structure inside the wave A, and right now wave B is playing, which is more of higher probability looking at how this structure is playing out right now. But it is also possible that this is a five wave structure where we had one, two, three very clearly. This is the fourth wave which is playing out, and after that we'll get another low for the fifth, and that is going to complete this wave A. Then there will be a pullback for the wave B and another drop for the wave C, and that will complete this circle degree wave B. So now how can I trade this theology or this analysis that I have? So for that, what I have to see is that I don't want to trade inside this parallel channel, whatever is happening, the inside structures. It is very, very messy, so I don't want to get into all of that. I want to trade this kind of impulsive structures. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. So what I want to trade is this kind of impulsive structures where I get back-to-back red candles and a massive move in one direction. So that is the kind of move that I am looking for personally. So in that case, what I will do is I will wait for market to break below this level. Let me just mark it with the horizontal ray so that the level gets clear. So below 33.15, I will wait for market to close. And once we got a closing here, then on pullback, I'll be interested to sell gold to the next structural support area around this green zone. So that will be my plan to sell gold. I am not interested what market is doing here, the 5-minute structural change or whatever it is doing. I'm not interested here. I want to take clear trades, and this is the thing that I'm looking to trade. Once I get a clear break of structure, now this is going to be a break of structure in case market does not break above this high, but it is possible that market goes up again and tests the higher trend line of this channel and then drops. And that is also preferable because in that case this is going to be a market structure shift, which is going to be a higher probable entry, and only on pullback I'm going to look for an entry over here, and I'm going to target this low over here. So that's what I'm looking for, and that's the kind of trade that I'm waiting for. This is the setup that I'm looking for, and in case market just breaks above this channel and gives us some kind of a bullish structure, which is not expected at this moment, looking at how this structure is playing out, so this can be a bear flag very easily. So I'm not expecting anything bullish, but in case something like that happens, then we have to recount our waves, and I have to give a new analysis accordingly, and that will be shared in my Telegram channel over here. So if you can join this, you can find the link below in the description. So that's it for today's analysis. Hope to see you on the next video. Till then, take care and trade safe.